Get in, loser. We're giving my hair an entire declop. Everybody, what's up? It's Spirit. So today we're giving my hair a full-on detox, refresh, retwist, re-everything. I want to give my hair a blast, baby, a blast of freshness and newness. That's because recently, like 2 months ago, I saw a little bit of buildup. So I took a break from retwisting my hair because I wasn't sure what the culprit was. And I decided to go ahead and wait a while, but now I feel really confident. I got the anti-residue shampoo from Keisha Charmaine. I got an ACV detox, and then we're going to do my hair using my own homemade natural flaxseed gel. So I'm going to do my best to not talk too much in this video and instead just walk you through the process of what I'm doing with my hair. All right. Okay, so that concludes part 1 of this video. Whoa, almost lost you. Okay, so that concludes part 1 of this video. My locks have never been scrubbed like that in their life. They feel so good. I made sure to wash the conditioner out with just a little bit of the hydrating shampoo. We don't want any slick buildup or anything, but the conditioner was so watery that I don't feel any residue on my hair. I just feel soft goodness. It smells great. So in part 2 of this video, I am going to give my 10 weeks, 11 weeks post retwist. I am going to give my locks a fresh retwist using homemade flaxseed gel. So if you enjoyed this and want to see where we're going to end up, go do it. Hey there, it's Spirit. If you enjoy my content, make sure that you subscribe. And if you really enjoy it, and want to send a love offering or become a patron so that I may continue to create more videos that help inspire the world to love themselves and be themselves, it would be greatly appreciated. As always, thank you for watching. Much love.